everyone, I'm Anshika Verma and welcome to BOMA Con Expo 2024.
This is Terra SS5, our new launch in this particular exhibition.
It is so smooth that since the top height to the bottom, it is coming as smooth as anything without any jerk.
ये एक बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी है फॉर इनोवेशन एंड प्रोडक्ट डाइवर्सिफिकेशन, ना कि सिर्फ इंडियन मैन्युफैक्चरर्स के लिए, इनफैक्ट इंटरनेशनल मैन्युफैक्चरर्स के लिए भी। यहाँ पर आपको काफ़ी जानी मानी ब्रांड्स देखने को मिलेगी, लाइक TVS टायर्स, अपोलो टायर्स एंड लाइक सच मशीनरीज एंड न्यू इनोवेशन, न्यू टेक्निकलिटीज एंड न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी। इसका वेन्यू लोकेशन है एक्सपो मार्ट ग्रेटर नोएडा एंड इसकी डेट्स है 11 to 14 दिसंबर एंड द टाइमिंग्स आर 10 to 6:30। आप जो मेरे पीछे देख रहे हो यहाँ का एंट्री गेट है एंड हमारे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे ये आपका एग्जिट गेट है। ये बोमा एक्सपो का रजिस्ट्रेशन डेस्क एरिया है एंड रजिस्ट्रेशन को 3 में डिवाइड किया गया है, VIP, गेस्ट एंड मीडिया पार्टनर्स एंड डेलीगेट्स। एंड आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे आपको इजीली स्कैन करना है। ये स्कैनर आपको उनकी वेबसाइट पे ले जाएगा। इन वेबसाइट पे जाके आपको फॉर्म मिलेगा एंड आपको वहाँ पे फिल करना है एंड देन आपको उसके बाद यहाँ पे आके बैजेस मिल जाएंगे। Hi sir, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good too. May I know your name?
I'm Adnan Shabir from Reliflex. I'm the Managing Director for Reliflex. And we have got some equipment to display today, wherein we have got building construction materials and construction machineries, building machineries. We have got road construction machineries, we have got flooring machineries. And basically, just to tell you about Reliflex, Reliflex is a brand which is almost in 5 countries right now with our own warehouses. That's
चलो मुजम्मिल सर करें।
Moscow, Russia, Dubai, UAE, and then we are in Chile, we are in Colombia, and like you know, being in this country, we are also in Romania. So just Chinese products or Korean products, no. And whatever I sell in Indian market or international market comes with a warranty from the Reliflex or my spare part of the solutions providers. This is how Reliflex works.
Thank you sir for telling us about your brand. Hello sir,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. May I know your name?
I am Fareed Ahmed. I am business head for off-highway tires for India, Asia Pacific and Middle East and Africa region. Welcome to Apollo Tires booth in BOMA 2024. Okay, this is Terra SS5, our new launch in this particular exhibition. It's a very heavy-duty skid steer tire, and you can see that it's an L5 with high NSD, which means that it performs the best in terms of tire life. It provides great traction, and it also gives you the best protection from punctures in municipal application and garbage handling and those kind of. So you can very confidently steer on any skid steer with Terra SS L5. That's what Apollo has to offer in this particular segment. And on this side, this is a Terra E3. We have designed specifically for self-loading concrete mixer. And here again you see that the land area is very high and there is a lesser sea area, which means that in tough applications you can go with your concrete mixer confidently without fearing for punctures and without fearing for downtime. This is also our new launch in this particular exhibition. So as you can see that we have a full range of products to offer, and on that corner we also have our radial range of Terra MPT1, and that mainly caters to the defense machines.
Hello sir,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm good.
May I know your name?
I'm Farhan Siddiqui from CIT Specialty Tires and हमने यहाँ पे माइंडमैक्स टायर को लॉन्च किया है। ये 1224 के साइज़ में अभी आप देख सकते हैं इसको। इस टायर की खासियत ये है कि इसका जो कंपाउंड है ये बहुत ही अच्छा है और बहुत अलग तरह से बनाया हुआ है। स्पेसिफिकली माइनिंग रिक्वायरमेंट को देख के इसका कंपाउंड तैयार किया गया है।
तो क्या इसमें न्यू कंपोनेंट्स डाले गए हैं जो आपके बाकी टायर से अलग हैं?
एग्जैक्टली। सो मैम कंपाउंड जो होता है टायर की जो कंपाउंड होता है वो टायर की लाइफ डिसाइड करता है। जितना अच्छा कंपाउंड होगा, जितना ज़्यादा रबर एलिमेंट्स होंगे उसके अंदर, उतना ज़्यादा टायर का लाइफ बढ़ता है। तो इसीलिए इसका कंपाउंड को यही देख के बनाया गया है कि माइनिंग रिक्वायरमेंट को ये पूरा करे। हार्श कंडीशंस में जो माइनिंग्स होती हैं उसके अंदर ये अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दे। प्लस इसका आप ट्रेड पैटर्न देखेंगे तो इसका बड़ा इनोवेटिव ट्रेड पैटर्न है। ये पत्थरों को बीच में फंसने नहीं देता है। जो लग शफलिंग की दिक्कत आती थी या लग टूटने की दिक्कत आती थी, वो दिक्कत अब नहीं आती है इसमें। इस वजह से इस टायर ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दिया है अभी तक। एंड अभी हम इसको राजस्थान और झारखंड एंड प्लस छत्तीसगढ़ की कुछ जोग्राफीज में हमने इसे लॉन्च किया है और वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा हमको इसका रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है अक्रॉस ऑल द टेरिटरीज। और अब हमने इसको पैन इंडिया भी लॉन्च कर दिया है।
Thank you so much sir for telling us about your product.
थैंक यू।
अब मैं ध्रुव इंजीनियर के बूथ पर। Hello sir,
Hello, hi.
how are you?
I'm good.
May I know your name?
Ishan Gupta. Yes. So, hi everyone. We have crossed 50 years since the company has been founded, and it's a great privilege to be here. So we exhibit almost in all the BOMAs and other exhibitions. As you can see, it's a battery operated equipment, and you can see it's very easy to maneuver. Like the controller I'm having, it is like a gamer controller, and It has various safety devices installed for the safety, and then you can see the lifter movement, the smoothest ever. So these are the various functions of this product. So you can see it is so smooth that since the top height to the bottom, it is coming as smooth as anything without any jerk. So this is the beauty of this product. Completely engineered and manufactured in India in our own in-house plant. And we are doing very good numbers with this. No customer has yet registered any complaint about this product. So many variants and so easy to maneuver it. Even an unskilled person can learn to do that within a day or two. So you can see the flexibility. It has these safety guards, the platform, which is a retractable one. So for warehousing solutions or for a company which has a paved surface, so it can ease out all your handling problems, material handling problems. With any person, no licensed or trained driver is needed. Within a day, we can train your person to maneuver this product. Thank you.
Sir,
Hi ma'am,
how are you?
doing good. How are you?
I'm good too. May I know your name?
My name's Nitin. I work for Bull Machines Private Limited India. So yeah, I would like to explain a little bit about what we do and our products. So Bull started in 1999 as a tractor attachment manufacturer. So we've been in the industry for close to about 25 years now. And our main focus was into agriculture and construction industries. Our focus has been to provide the best equipment to all the markets that use a backhoe loader. Our machines are rugged, they're user-friendly, and can be used in almost all terrains. We believe performance makes all the difference, and our machines encompass this vision that we've had since our inception.
जो बौमा कॉन एक्सपो होता है इसमें फेमस जानी मानी ब्रांड्स भी आती हैं लाइक टीवीएस एक्सपो, फाइन, स्पाइसकॉन, ट्रिडेंट एंड इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स भी आती हैं और इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स के लिए भी एक अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ होती है कि वो अपना प्रोडक्ट शोकेस कर सके इंडियन ऑडियंस को। एंड ये एक ऐसा एक्सपो होता है जिसमें ऑल ओवर दी वर्ल्ड की ऑडियंस आती है और वो यहाँ पर न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स देखती है और नेक्स्ट जनरेशन इनोवेशंस जो होती है नेक्स्ट जनरेशन की वो भी।
Hello.
How are you?
Fine, thanks.
May I know your name?
My name is Madel Alberto, and I'm technical manager of Piusi. Piusi is an Italian company, and we have a number of dealers here in India, and we are focused on pump and meter for diesel, for gasoline, and for AdBlue. Here are two main products that we develop for all the market, but especially also for the Indian market. These are pumps for gasoline and diesel with explosion-proof motor. That's very safety and can be installed in any situation without having any problem of security. But Pusey is not only a manufacturer of pumps. As you can see, in the other side, we have a full range of meters, starting from low flow rate up to 50 liter minute, up to big flow rate, up to 500 liter minutes. And we have version with electronic display and version with mechanical display. This is Pusey, an Italian company, and we are present here in India since 2000. 24 years of very good selling, and we have a lot of clients that are using our products for their application.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And ऐसे ही best business venue videos देखने के लिए stay tuned. See you in the next one.